Feel the music, the rhythm, a heart on a mission. Can't fight the feeling, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control. Got emotions, emotion, they all wanna go dance. Sweat in an ocean, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control. First time on the floor, but I'm into it. Nervous from my knees to my fingertips. I might have a broken heart, but I won't hold back tonight. Lights go out, I move like I'm over you. Nothing on my mind but the beating truth. I might have a broken heart, but I won't hold back tonight.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cheryl's Glam Home. Well, today I'm super excited to share another Glam DIY project. Inspired by my Gallerie cushions, I decided to do a sparkly glam lamp. I hope you enjoy. I've had this lamp now for quite a few years. I've given it many a makeover, but today I wanted to give it a super glam look. So I removed the lampshade and taped up the areas before I started to paint. Now I took the lamp outside and I was already happy with its turquoise colour. But what I wanted to do here, guys, is paint half of this white. So I took my favourite Gloss Vivid White by Dulux and I spray painted the top. Now I didn't tape it at the middle because I wanted it to look like the two paints were spilling into each other. Once it was completely dry and using the same method as my DIY glitter cushions, I took some Mod Podge, and what you're going to do here, guys, is just add the Mod Podge in very uneven strokes. So for example here, I'm doing quite a short stroke, but then my next stroke will be extra long. When I've added about 4 strokes of Mod Podge, I then go in with my silver glitter and I try to cover as much as I can. Now, if you've worked with glitter before, you know it can get very messy, guys. So what I do here is take my hairspray and I'm going to spray the first 4 strokes so they'll be nice and complete. So that way when I tilt around the lamp, I will not lose too much glitter. I then continue with the same method, going round the entire lamp. Now the best part of this DIY, guys, is if you make a mistake, you can go back in, adding some more Mod Podge and then just adding the glitter on top. I highly recommend using that hairspray. It will be a lifesaver for you. You're then going to continue around the lamp until you're completely finished and happy with the result. Once I was happy with the result, I then got a dry paintbrush and I just dusted off any excess glitter. Now you can either do this or you can also use a hairdryer, which I used in my glitter cushions, and this will help with any excess glitter that you don't want. Once I was happy with that, I took my trusty hairspray and I gave it a very good coat all around the base of the lamp. I then changed up the lampshade and I added this black lampshade as well. Guys, Guys, I was so happy that you all enjoyed watching my Z Gallerie inspired glitter cushions. I knew that everyone loved to see things sparkly and glam, so I thought to myself, what else could I decorate in this method? And then a light bulb moment hit me. I thought, of course, Michelle, let's try it on a lamp. You might have an old lamp that you're no longer using at the moment. Wouldn't it be fun this weekend to give it a glam makeover? This simple and easy DIY was inexpensive to create, and I absolutely love how glam it came. This DIY could certainly take on so many variations. For example, if you didn't like the turquoise, you could paint it in your favourite colour. I'm just imagining, guys, I could create a pair of these, do it in the blush pink at the bottom and meet it in the middle with some beautiful gold shimmering glitter. Or if you're not into the blush pink, maybe do a silver at the bottom. Paint the bottom silver and meet the white in the middle with some silver glitter. Everything would be so sparkly and glam, and I guarantee you'd be so happy with the result. Leave me a comment down below if you'd like me to do something else with this particular design in mind. I've been thinking about so many different things for you guys, but I'd love to hear your feedback on what you'd like to see next. If you decide to do any of my DIY projects, I would truly love to see them. Don't forget you can follow me at Shell's Glam Style on Instagram, and I'd love to share them on my Insta stories. Guys, when I see that you do my DIYs, it truly makes my heart so happy.
You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own glitter lamp this weekend.
Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
It's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Brings out